In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix skills not working in the raid in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really is super helpful to the channel, and it lets us know that you want more Sailor Peace content like this, so we would greatly appreciate it. And of course, at any point throughout this guide, if you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the raid game mode is the brand new game mode that came alongside this update that you can access on the blue planet here in C2. And if your abilities stop working after joining a raid, it likely is a raid server bug. You need to go and leave that raid completely and try joining it again. If your skills still don't work though, leave the game and join a different server. I recommend using a private server. I think it works a little bit better. But sometimes older or bug servers can sometimes cause abilities to stop activating, even if your build and controls are completely fine, even if you're able to use them outside as well. After switching servers, start the raid again though and test your skills. Right now there's no guaranteed permanent fix until the developers do a quality of life update and patch it, but the best workaround is what we just went over. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.